The bag's under my eyes with this lighting. Okay. Oh, I need someone to hold it right here. This is just proof that it's all about the lighting. I look decent. I look like absolute ass. Wow. Love that for myself. What's up guys, it's your girl Rochelle back at it again with another YouTube video. Look what I got in the mail today. Look at this huge box. It literally takes up the whole entire frame. Hey, it's me. So I just got my FabFitFun spring box in the mail and I thought it would be really fun to unbox it with you guys and show you guys what kind of products are in here. I do want to say a huge thank you to FabFitFun for partnering with me in this video. I personally really enjoy watching unboxing videos. Those are some of my favorite videos to watch. I don't know, there's just like a satisfaction I get out of unboxing videos. That could just be me and I could be crazy, but let me know if you're the same way. This is what the spring box looks like. It's very pretty. Definitely gives off spring vibes. We have a bunch of like butterflies all over it. Every box has a different theme. So the theme of the spring box is metamorphosis and highlighting the beauty of transformation and positive change, which I know that I've personally gone through a lot of change. I would say in like the past 2 years, my life has changed in a number of different ways. All of them at the end of the day were very positive for me. One of them that I can think off the top of my head is focusing more on myself. I used to be very focused on other people's lives and other people's well-being. I was always the type of friend where like if I was ever struggling with something, I wouldn't acknowledge it. I would be more focused on like how my friends are feeling or how my family's feeling, or you know, I was very attentive to everyone else except for myself, and I definitely have changed and transformed for the better because I have started to focus on my needs and my wants and my desires rather than only looking at what other people want and need, if that makes any sense. I've definitely taken the time to get to know myself a lot better. Looking back at who I was 2 years ago, I feel like it's just a totally different person, and I honestly feel like I'm a lot happier now than I've ever been. The meaning of this spring box definitely hit home with me. I feel like everyone goes through like a transformation period or some type of metamorphosis. I really love that FabFitFun chose butterflies as like the design of this spring box. Since the overall theme is metamorphosis, I feel like it's very fitting to have butterflies all over the box. So if you don't know what FabFitFun is, basically it's a seasonal subscription box that includes full-size beauty, wellness, fashion, and lifestyle products that comes out 4 times per year. So it comes out every season: spring, fall, winter, summer. Those weren't all in the right order, but you get what I'm saying. Each FabFitFun box is $49.99, but each box has a value of over $200 per season. So that means all the items in here are valued at over $200 and you only pay $49.99. What? That just seems insane to me, and I'm really excited to dive into this because I'm curious to see how much the products are that are inside of this. That's like a selling point in itself for me because I like to save money. If I can get $200 worth of stuff for $49.99, I'm gonna take advantage of that. I'm definitely gonna do it. But if you use my code Rachelle10, it'll be on the screen right here. So use this code and you can get $10 off of your first FabFitFun box. So instead of $49.99, it'll be $39.99. I would definitely take advantage of that because you're saving money. Also, they have this feature where if you're an annual member, you receive your FabFitFun box before everyone else. So you receive it in like the first shipment. FabFitFun also lets you customize the items inside of your box. So I got to pick out a couple things. Basically, you answer these questions about which products you would prefer. FabFitFun is available in the US, Canada, and the UK. Without further ado, I'm just gonna open this box up. Okay, so first of all, I know packaging isn't everything, but it's definitely a plus. And just look at how pretty this packaging is. So first thing inside of the box is this little magazine. It just says FabFitFun Spring 2020. Gina Rodriguez is the cover model for the spring box, which is awesome. If you don't know who she is, I'm pretty sure she was on a Netflix show called Jane the Virgin. She's a really good actress. Also, something really cool about FabFitFun, I was just reading through this and I just saw it, but each FabFitFun box raises money and awareness for different non-profit organizations. FabFitFun has raised thousands of dollars for their charity partners throughout the years, which is amazing. And the charity that they chose for the spring box is Dress for Success. I am a very firm believer in uplifting and supporting other women rather than tearing them down, because there are definitely a lot less opportunities for women in the workforce or in life in general. I feel like there's a lot of stereotypes based around women. So I think it's really cool that they chose Dress for Success as their charity for this box because it's all about empowering women and helping them succeed in their professional or personal journeys, whatever that may be, however big or small that may be. I appreciate the message that this charity has. Tying into the whole women empowerment discussion, FabFitFun is dedicated to supporting female entrepreneurs. Many of the products in the box are from companies that are founded by females, which I think is really cool as well. But yeah, it just comes with this little magazine where you can read more about Gina Rodriguez, you can read about the charity, and more about like the products that come inside. So this is definitely like the guide and everything you need to know. Then I also got a $45 credit for wine. Your girl is 21 now, and you best believe I love my wine. So I think that's really cool how they give you like a little gift card type thing. They also give you this BITE coupon code. This is for like Invisalign basically. I currently have Invisalign, so I won't be needing this. But if I didn't, I probably would use that. Ooh, and then they also give you a HelloFresh gift card. Ooh, I am already seeing some good products, which I cannot wait to use. When you open it up, this is what it looks like. The first thing in the box are these amber seats. I really hope I'm saying that correctly. Stackable necklaces. These just look like golden coins. They're really, really pretty. I love gold jewelry, but I don't have that much right now. Most of my jewelry is silver, except for my gold hoops. And I love them so much, but I never wear them because my necklace is silver, my rings are silver, my watch is silver. So now that I have these, I'm very excited because I will definitely be wearing these stackable necklaces with my gold hoops. I already know these are going to be used every single day. And the crazy thing is I never even knew about this brand until FabFitFun. So that just proves to you that FabFitFun allows you to discover tons of new brands that you had never heard of before. I want to look up the prices of all the products inside of this box. So I'm just really quickly going to look up how much this costs. Double coin necklace. That's what it is. Okay. What? They're $50. These are $50. That's already more than what the box costs. That's expensive. Jeez. We're getting bougie products in this box. That's insane. I was not expecting that. There's some from the same brand that are $62 on Revolve. Someone is selling this exact same thing on eBay for $31.99. This is proof in itself that you're definitely getting your money out of your FabFitFun box because this basically is the cost of the whole entire box. But I'm really excited to use these. I cannot wait. Honestly, I want to put them on now. Next is this Aria Beauty Luxe Chrome Detangling Brush. I personally have been needing a new hairbrush so bad. First of all, it's this really pretty rose gold color. If you see a bunch of fingerprints on it, it's because I've already used this. And honestly, I really, really love this brush. The quality of this feels amazing. I just feel like this is gonna last me a really, really long time. It's really good at detangling my hair without like pulling all my hair out. You know what I'm saying? My wet brush has been pulling out a lot of my hair recently, so I'm definitely excited to use this every single day and throw my old brush away. Next up is this Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. I have also tried this product out as well, and I do really love it. It's really good at applying a coat of mascara to each individual lash. My lashes didn't clump together when I used it, which I find happens with a lot of mascaras, but it didn't happen with this one. So it was already an A+ for me. The packaging of this is so adorable. It comes in this really pretty gold tube. It kind of reminds me of like a lip gloss tube. You just open it like this, and then here's the wand. I'm definitely a fan of thinner and smaller mascara wands. I was running low on my other mascara too, so I'm really happy this came in my box. Okay, so this next product, I actually got to pick this one out, which I'm so happy about. This is the AG Hair Care Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner. I am a big fan of the brand AG because my hairstylist recommended a couple of their products to me a long, long time ago, and ever since then I've been obsessed. The smell of the products are amazing, the quality of the products are amazing, and overall, I just really do love this brand. I have also tried this out, and let me just tell you, this shit is amazing. The smell, okay. The smell. It smells like a berry smoothie, like a berry slushy. Definitely has more of like a cherry scent to it, but it smells so good. The way that I use this product is I apply it to the ends of my hair because those are the most damaged parts of my hair right after I get out of the shower. The first time I used this, I was honestly shocked at how soft and shiny and smooth it made my hair feel when it was dry. I do have a heat protectant spray that I use every single day as well. The size of this is honestly pretty big. I feel like this is gonna last me a really long time. I think it's awesome that FabFitFun just incorporates full-size products inside of the box. Next up, we're gonna dive into some skincare products. I don't know why, but I've just recently become like a skincare fanatic. I'm so interested in learning more about skincare. So the first thing that I got was this Pure Elise Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polishing Peel. This peel is a skin smoothing, energizing face polish infused with glycolic acid to gently exfoliate and brighten skin for a radiant complexion in only 2 minutes. It comes in this really pretty packaging. I have not tried this out yet. Oh, that smells so good. This is definitely a good product to exfoliate because I don't know if you can see that on camera, but the consistency of this reminds me of a facial scrub. I definitely feel like this is gonna be good at exfoliating your skin, getting rid of all the dead skin cells. It smells amazing. It smells like I should eat it, but I know I probably shouldn't, so I'm not gonna do that. I cannot wait to use this. I'm honestly gonna use this tonight on my skin because my skin needs to be exfoliated, so I'm really excited about that. And just from using it on my hand, it left my skin on the back of my hand feeling really, really smooth. I'm so excited about this product as well. This is the Wish Blue Matcha Restoring Mask. It's antioxidant rich and it's skin balancing. Blue Matcha, that got my attention by itself. I have never heard of this brand and I have never heard of this product before, but Blue Matcha, like come on, does that not make you want to try this product out? Why does everything smell so good? This smells amazing. This one smells super like natural, organic, whereas the other ones were very like fruity smelling. It has a really pretty like minty bluish color to it. This product is really good at purifying your skin, deeply moisturizes your skin, which I need that so bad. My skin has been so dry because the weather here has been crazy. And it also soothes I can't say that word. It also okay. I'm just not gonna say that word. I don't know why I can't say that word. The consistency is definitely a little bit thicker, which I personally love thicker skincare products because I feel like it just works better. It's probably all in my head. Kind of has like a sticky texture to it, so it might even be good under makeup as like a primer or like a base. I don't know, I'm very excited to use this. This is probably one of the products I'm most excited for. This is the Murad Resurgence Rapid Collagen Infusion. So I have heard a lot about the Murad brand. I know it's a very expensive brand. I would definitely consider it more high-end. It's just crazy to me that you get a full-size product, and I want to see how much this costs because I guarantee you this is very expensive. Resurgence. You're joking. This is $89. That's expensive. Oh my, $89. And you can get it in your FabFitFun spring box for $49.99. Definitely use the code rachellellc to get $10 off of your first box because you're getting steals and deals in these boxes, I swear. That's insane. I don't even want to spray a pump of this on my hand because I do not want to waste it. Basically what this does is it's a fast-acting treatment which helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and immediately restores a more youthful appearance. I'm only 21, so I do have wrinkles, but my wrinkles are not that crazy. However, I am really excited to use this just to prevent more wrinkles from developing faster. I'm really excited to try this. I did not know it was that expensive. I get to add a really bougie product to my skincare collection. This alone makes the whole box worth it. Moving on to the last thing inside of my box. I got this Donny ribbed sweater coat. Looks like this. I've never heard of the brand before either, but the pattern of this, the stripes, I actually am obsessed with. Ooh, nice. This is a cardigan. I love this. Oh my gosh, it's a really nice cardigan. The quality of this is really, really good too. It's definitely a thinner cardigan, which will be perfect in the summer. Throw this over a tank top with some shorts. And I feel like I'm honestly gonna wear this every single day in the summertime. It also has pockets, which I love. This is amazing. But yeah, that is everything inside of my FabFitFun box. Definitely check my description down below for all the info that you need about FabFitFun. Don't forget to use the code Rachelle10 for $10 off of your first FabFitFun box. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel to join our fam bam. I will see you guys in my next YouTube video. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Mwah. Bye.